got a Tjmaxx bag haul. Stick around so that you can see what I have in this big ass bag. Howdy do! Welcome everybody. My name is Jara Bee and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a haul from Tjmaxx. I have 3 bags that I want to show you guys, okay? So let's get right to it. Let me see. What do I want to show y'all first? Not that one. I think I'm going to make this one last. I have been shopping. Yes, I have. You know, I took a break from YouTube for a while, hoping that it would help me not to consume more bags, more shoes, more stuff, you name it. Did it work? Staying away from recording a YouTube video, did it help me to not to spend my disposable income? No, it did not help. But let's start off. I want to start off with sharing with you 3 bags from Tjmaxx. Let me start off with this beauty right here. Ta-da! This is a Michael Kors tote in the color vanilla. And I don't know what they call this right here. Let me see if I can find anything in the inside the tag. Yeah, here it is. This is the Michael Kors Sylvia in vanilla. It just says vanilla medium taupe. Like this. That's what the top view looks like. The bottom. And what did I pay for this? I paid this. Yep. Y'all see that? And yeah, you'll see a what's in my bag video on this bag right here sometime before the summer is up. Summer 2023. Next, Tjmaxx. Tjmaxx, why you gotta tempt me? This is a Coach tote. Let me see what the tag says here. I paid this. And this is called the let's see, why am I even struggling like this? Put on some readers, Jara. Shoot. This is the Town tote in the color black. Looks like this. Basic tote. The dog tag is gold. This has the nerve to have some weight to it. And then this is what the inside of her looks like. Snap closure. Alright, there's that. This final bag that I want to share with you is actually the least expensive bag, but it's like special to me for some reason. It's really weird. A lot of you guys will probably not like this, but here it is. Y'all see this? Look at that. What do y'all see on here that Jara likes? Dragonflies. Y'all see the dragonflies? I had to have her. It's so spring-like, summer-like. It came with this strap. Now, the strap is really nice. It's very well made strap. But when I first saw the bag, I walked away from it. I initially looked at it like, that's different. That's kind of weird. And then I was like, what are they doing with this strap? Why would they put this color strap on this bag? And then I just couldn't pass it up because it has the dragonflies on it, along with some flowers, y'all see it, and some butterflies. Are there butterflies? Yes, there's some butterflies on here. It's made by Adorned. See that? Here's the inside of it. It's like this vanilla color on the inside. It has a snap magnetic closure there. It's so cute, y'all. It reminds me of I can't think of it. Coach has a bag that is shaped very similar like this, the Ergo bag or something like that. I'll put it on the screen somewhere if I can find the name of that bag that this reminds me of. But let me get back to the strap. Okay, at first I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this bag, but I am going to put a different strap on it. But the more that I look at this bag, the more I like the strap with it, okay? Plus, I don't want to spend any more money, okay? I don't want to buy anything else for now. For now. Did I say it had a big old outside pocket right here? Look at the inside of it, y'all. It's so cute. But anyway, hopefully I'll get around to carrying this summer of 2023. All right, you guys. So that is it. I just wanted to share those 3 bags with you that I purchased from Tjmaxx. What do you think? Talk to me down in the comment section, okay? And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. But if you have not yet subscribed, will you please think about doing so? I would highly appreciate it because it helps to support my channel when you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks, everybody. Bye. Stay safe out there.